Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best electrician tool bags that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Custom Leather Craft Tool Bag. Custom Leather Craft is the best tool bag for electrician. Designed in multi-pocket, it offers up to 16 pockets in both large and small sizes. As a result, it helps you to organize the tools to different categories easily. For example, you can use one pocket for screws and another for nails. Besides, the largest compartment can be used as a place to store large and heavy tools. Among those 16 pockets, users will have 8 external pockets and 8 internal pockets in total. In addition, the bag also comes with a small tray that is made of plastic. It serves as a small dividers to put inside the bag for storing small accessories. What is more, it comes with a padded handle and shoulder straps. Moving on at number 4, we have CLC Leather Craft Bag. You can meet any job with this 22-pocket electrician's tool bag from Custom Leather Craft. Those pockets are divided into 14 dividers for the exterior and 8 dividers for the interior. Plus, the plastic storage tray has its own pocket too, and it is to keep small accessories from getting lost. The 11 inches by 10 inches by 19 inches bag is able to handle large tools because it arrives with plastic loops. Moreover, it has a padded handle for maximizing hand comfort and a convenient shoulder strap to prevent your shoulders from pain when you need to shoulder carry it. Lastly, the box-shaped design keeps the bag from tipping over. At number 3, we have Klein Rolling Tool Bags. If you are also looking for an electrician rolling tool bag, here we would like to recommend you to this product from Klein Tools. It is a very heavy-duty tool bag that looks just like a trolley. It may look very compact, but it is capable of loading up to 200 pounds of weight. Coming with 24 pockets in total, it provides more room for users to store their tools, whether they are the electric tools or architecture tools. It has an adjustable handle that allows users to adjust to the right height and to reduce the chance of having to bend down often. The size of this rolling bag is roughly 6 inches large. It features maneuver wheels that roll very smoothly on any kind of surfaces. At number 2, we have DeWalt Lighted Tool Bags. Among all of the electrician tool bag reviews, this one from DeWalt is also ranked as top 5 on our list. DeWalt is a trusted name in the construction tool industry. When it comes to this bag, it offers a 3-level LED light attached to it to light up your work area. In addition to this, there are padded feet to protect the bottom of the bag from getting scratched and ripped by the rough surfaces. Padded handle and shoulder strap are included. There are also 28 pockets on the inside and 13 pockets on the outside, which offers enough room for every of its user to organize their tool freely. Also, the vertical pocket design allows you to place your tools where you want them. And finally at number 1, CLC Custom Leather Tool Bags. If you do not like the ones with the opening top, you can look at this option from CLC. This product is a closed-top electrician tool bag that offers a very large storage capacity. This zippered sealable electrician's tool bag has 50 pockets for you to easily categorize your favorite tools. Moreover, the zipper pouches keep tools safe and secure. Thus, this makes it easier to find when needed and when you need them to complete your next job. On top of that, the standard padded handle and shoulder strap are part of the package as well. This means you have got a greater freedom in choosing how you want to carry it. Although it is made of poly fabric and is not waterproof, to begin with, you just need to spray it with a waterproof protectant for it to resist moisture and water.